In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account on Stripe in just a few minutes. Whether you're setting up your Stripe account for the first time or you simply want to connect a new bank for payouts, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In to access your dashboard. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step as well by entering the verification code sent to your device. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. From here, find and click on the Home section in the navigation panel. This is your main control center, where you can manage your account, check payments, and set up your bank details. Next, locate and click on the Balance option. This section allows you to view and manage all of your Stripe payouts. Once you're on the Balance page, look for the Add Bank Account button and click it. A new form will appear where you can enter your bank account details, such as your account number, sort code, or IBAN, depending on your region. So if you don't see the option under Balance, don't worry, there's another way to reach it. Simply go to your settings by clicking the gear icon on the left-hand menu. Scroll down and find Account Settings. Under this section, select Business Settings, and then click on Linked External Accounts. From here, choose Manage Payout Accounts, and then select Add a Bank Account. Now, carefully fill in your bank details. Double-check that everything is correct, especially your account number and routing or sort code. Any mistake could cause payout issues. After reviewing your details, click Save or Add Account to confirm. Stripe may take a moment to verify your information. To make this process smoother, make sure your bank account supports Stripe transfers and that your business name matches your bank details exactly. This will help prevent delays or verification problems. Once your bank account is successfully added, Stripe will automatically use it for payouts and transfers, so you'll be ready to receive your funds without any issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add your bank account to Stripe easily and ensure your payouts are processed smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.